folks. So I'm in a different room today because I'm going to be doing some crafting after the video. But this is my unboxing, my February unboxing, so I'm super excited. Well, every month I'm super excited for what I get, but I got a few more things that I've never tried before that I've been wanting to try for a long time. My hair is very staticky. I do apologize if it's all over the place, all over my face. Okay, so let's get started. So of course, gotta have my toothpaste. Always running out, so I get my toothpaste. I don't use anything else. Just this, oh gosh, look at that light. All right, just too much. Okay, so I'm trying to have better lighting in my videos. Now it's working too well. Anyway, this is the Thieves Toothpaste. Oh. Okay, well this is what it looks like. All right, that's working out great. And of course, gotta keep myself clean. So, ooh, I got new soap. Okay, so I love Valor. Valor Essential Oil. Okay, this is great. Well, okay, so this is my soap, but I tried Valor. I'm trying Valor. I love the Valor Essential Oil. It's so relaxing and soothing, and I have anxiety disorder, so Valor, love Valor, and now I have the soap. Love it. So I'm really super excited to try that. And I got golden turmeric, and this, let me see, am I saying that right? Turmeric? I don't know, but I haven't tried it yet. It's been on the market for a while. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna try it. I've heard it tastes super, super good. So I am super excited to try this. Okay, super excited for these. These are roll-ons. Okay, so I got Stress Away, Tranquil, and Breathe Again. These also come in regular oils as well. I love Breathe Again. It's just really soft. It's not real powerful scent. It's just really pretty. Stress Away, obviously it has a calming effect, but it seriously does something for me personally. It like does something to my brain to where it really relaxes me. Even as, you know, when you're at work can be stressful. So when I wear it at work, it's just, I feel like I can breathe, you know, because when there's so much going on, I'm just like, I don't know if you're like this, but I forget to breathe sometimes. I hold my breath and I forget to breathe. Or I don't breathe as deeply to kind of relax myself, relax my mind, and to get through whatever situation I'm in, or to get through my day. Stress Away does that. So does Breathe Again. And so does Tranquil. So I cannot wait to start using these and just carry them with me everywhere I go. Okay. All right. Got some natural supplements here. Okay, so I did a video last month on my order, on my unboxing, and I said that I was gonna get, right, this was it, right? Hold on, I have to double check something. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I mentioned that I was going to get inner defense because Life 9 and inner defense, they kind of work well together for immunity and your just overall wellness. So I said I was going to get inner defense, and I did. So I got another bottle of Life 9. I have a few more in my other bottle, but Life 9 and inner defense. I also got mineral essence. Mineral essence, let me see. It says it's balanced, full spectrum, ionic, mineral complex, enhanced with essential oils, excellent source of magnesium. My husband wanted to get this, thinking, since he's not eating a lot of the vegetables, that was his thing behind it. Obviously, it doesn't replace food. So that's what he's thinking this will do. I got these 2 oils. Ylang-ylang, love ylang-ylang. I put ylang-ylang in a lot of my perfumes that I make. So I'm glad I have another bottle of this, plus I'm running out. And then I also have One Heart. Okay. So this is this oil, One Heart, has lemon, ylang-ylang, Northern Lights black spruce, lime, Roman chamomile, jasmine. Hold on, I'm getting there. Ocotee. Okay, how do you pronounce this? Ocotea. Ocotee. It has that. It has spearmint, black spruce, blue tansy, camphor, geranium, and frankincense. Whew, got through that. Maybe I missed one. It was just really hard to read because the paper's so light and the words are white. But yay! Yay, free stuff. I'm so excited. So anyway, that's my unboxing. I'm super excited. February unboxing. February is a great month. So stay tuned for next month, for March, when I do another unboxing. I love you, and here's to great health and a happy, healthy 2022. So 2022, a new you. That's my motto this year. Okay. All right. Love you. Bye.